Today I'll be showing you how to operate the College of Nursing Science Eku Delta State admin dashboard. To access the admin section, you log into https://cons.edu.ng/admin. After logging in, it will take you to this section, which is the dashboards. Now, as you can see, the dashboard comprises of a lot of things, so I'll be taking them one after the other and explaining what they entail. Now, first on our list is the admission. As you can see, it entails the serial number, the application number, student's name, phone number, and application date. Now, if you look by this side, you will see that all the students are active. And here, let's log into one of the students' profile. Now, as you can see, every details that has to do with the student is here. So anytime you want to check any details about a particular student, you can just go here and then you can see a lot of details with their class, their courses, and so on and so forth. And if a student is no longer with the school, you can see delete just by the side. So you can just go click there and delete that student's name from this admission list. As well as you can also search for the students by their name. And next on our list is the blog. As you can see, there is the blog list and the blog category. So now when we go to the blog list, there is the thumbnail and the title, their category, their status, and their action. Now under the category, you see the general, the events, the news, as well as you can add more if you want to. Now this is under the general. As you can see, whatever information written here will be placed under general category. And here you can also add, if you want to, you can add more to the blog list. Now under the blog list is the blog category, which you can see it entails the general, the events, and the news, and any other information you want to add. You can see the add new right here, and you can as well view, edit, and delete any of them if you want to under action. And their status, as you can see, is very much active, meaning that you can see it on the public website. If you want to deactivate it, you can deactivate it as well. To just be here on the admin, but then the public websites won't be able to have access to it or view it. But as it's active here, it's active in the public website. And next on our list is the gallery. As you can see, under the gallery, there's the portfolio list and the portfolio category. Now, under the portfolio list, there's the thumbnails and their titles. As you can see, all these are under general, which you can as well create thumbnails for news as well as events. So they're all active. You can view them, you can edit them, and you can delete them as well. Adding to the fact that you can also add new thumbnails. Moving on to portfolio categories. So there's the serial number, there's the title, there's the status, and there's the action. So this is the fact that all portfolio lists are general. So it's just general category that's here right now. If there were to be other lists like events or news, it should come under this general. But the fact is just one, so we just have the one general. And as usual, you can view them, you can edit them, and you can delete them, and you can also add new portfolio categories. Next is the grades or program. Now, as you can see, it contains the thumbnails, the title, the status as usual, and the action, which is the viewing, editing, and deleting. And you can also add new thumbnails and titles as well. Now, this title contains the basic nursing program and all the programs that this particular school do offer. So as you can see, there are 4. If it will be that they want to add more, you can just click on add new and add more programs to this list. Next on our list is the prices. Now this contains the title, which under it is the school fee, and the price, the duration, and status and action. Now aside from the school fee, any other fee that needs to be paid will be entered here by just clicking the add new. As well as under the action, you can view the fee, you can edit it, and you can also delete it. Now under this edit, that's where you can actually see this old school fee still shown here, and then the new price still shown here. As you can see, there's the title, there's the price, and there's the old price, and there's the term and other things as well. So after doing this, you just have to click on the update. Once you update it, that's if you made any changes to it. Once you update it, everything will go back and reflect in the dashboard. Next is the theme. As you can see, there's the serial number, there's the photo, the name, the designated position, their status, and the action. Here as an example are the teachers. As you can also add the gatesman, the cleaners and others, just put their designated position in the school here, their picture, their names, as well as you can edit, view and delete and add people here, just here. And this is the profile of one of the teachers. It entails their designated positions, their photos, description if necessary, their phone number, their email and their status, if they're still active in the school or they are not. Next is the designation, which entails their department and their status, as usual, as you can view, edit and delete and also add new if you want to. Next is the frequently asked questions. Now, under it is the list, which contains the number, the serial number, the title, their category, their status, and the action. Now, these frequently asked questions to this college is: why College of Nursing Science, Eku, is the best? How does the college support students? And if you want to view the answers, you can as well click here and you view the answers. If you want to edit, you can as well edit the informations, and if you want to delete, you can as well delete. And if there are more frequently asked questions, you just click on the add new and you put them in, the title, the category, their status and the action. Next is the category. Now, all the frequently asked question lists are under general. That's why the category is only reflecting general here. If there were to be other lists, this title should have others under it, but the fact that it's just general on the list, that's why it's only general here on the title. And as well, other features as the add new, view, edit and delete. Next, we have the sliders. It contains the thumbnail, the title, their status and the action. Now, this sliders is very, very much visible to the public. So if you want to view it, you can as well view it. If you want to edit it, if you want to delete it, it's just the same thing. Next is the testimonials, and they have the serial number, the picture of the person if you want to add, the name of the person, designated position of the person, the organization the person belongs to if needs be, the status of the testimonial, if it's still active, if you want it to reflect or you do not, and the action as usual if you want to view, edit or delete. Now, this is a testimonial from a parent, Mrs. Catherine Grace, and this is the timetable for the students. This is where you can actually generate and create the timetable so they can access it from their own portal. It contains the day, the class, the subject, the time, the status and the action, which by now you should know what the action contains. And as well, you can add new if you want to add new timetable or adjust the timetable anyhow you please if you want to. Why choose us? College of Nursing Science is very skilled and rich in legacy of excellence, just like the title states here. And as usual, it contains the status if you want it to be active on the public website or not, and the action if you want to view it, if you want to edit it, if you want to delete anything, and if you want to add more reasons why you should choose this particular nursing school, just click on the add new, and that's it for this particular dashboard. Next is the counters, which contain the serial number, the title, the value, the status, and the action. Now, under this, the title are years of experience, total students, award winning, and the value listed here below. And as usual, you can view, edit, or delete, and add new as well. And don't forget to always click on the update button below anytime you make a change, so as for it to reflect and be updated before moving on to the next and before leaving that particular dashboard. Now, this is the email, which contains the name of students, their serial number, their email, their subjects, their status, and the action. Now, if you click on view, you will see the student's subjects, their name, their email, their phone number, and if they have a message for the school, and their status as well. Next is about us. This contains any particular information you want to pass out about the school, either their mission, their vision, any particular picture, and as well if you make any changes, you update it so as for it to reflect. Next is the pages, which contains the title. Listed below are privacy and policy, terms and conditions, disclaimers, admission requirements. If you want to add more, you can just click on the add new, and as well you can view them, edit them or delete them, and they are active on the public space right now. Next is the section, which contains the blog section, portfolio section, and so on and so on and so forth. Anything you want to write here, they all have their section right here, and you can also put in something and make it visible. And don't forget to also update it so as for it to reflect in the public space. Next is the live chat, which contains the live chat for WhatsApp and the live chat for Facebook. You can make just one visible to the public. Now, your live chat for WhatsApp contains the phone number, the header title, and the greeting message. That is, when someone sends you a message, the automatic reply that will be given to that person. This is where you edit it. So if you want to edit it, you edit and then you press update. And last but not the least is the setting, which consists of the site info, the contact info, the social media info, customization and accounts, and any other thing you want to do. Don't forget to press the update button once you're done with making use of any of these sites, so as for it to reflect in the public space. Bye guys.